Hello friends, welcome to lesson 78 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. To prepare the left hand, we need to bring finger 1 to string number 1, fret number 2. And we are actually going to have finger 2 hovering string number 1 on fret number 3. To prepare the right hand, we're going to bring the thumb to string number 4 and the index finger to string number 1. We start measure number 1 by plucking at the same time strings 4 and 1. And then finger 2 is going to produce the ascending slur, also known as hammer-on, by doing precisely that, a little bit of a hammering action over string number 1, fret number 3. Let's see that again. Then we continue with string number 1, fret number 2, plucked by the middle finger. Let's see that once more. I want to direct your attention to finger 1. Finger 1 stays in the same spot, applying pressure the whole time to make it easier to play the last note of the measure. Then we go into measure number 2 by plucking at the same time strings 5 and 1, 5 with the thumb, 1 with the index finger. Now finger 1 is going to be doing the ascending slur by doing the hammering action on string number 1, fret number 2, followed by an open first string once again, plucked by the middle finger. Then we go into measure number 3 by bringing finger number 2 to string number 2, fret number 3. We pluck strings 4 and 2 with thumb and index. As we bring finger 1 to string number 1, fret number 2, making sure to keep finger 2 right where we have it, and then we are going to pluck 2 strings at the same time, string 1 with middle finger and string 2 with the index finger. Twice. Fingers 1 and 2 are going to remain in the same spot. We're going to pluck open 5th string with the thumb, and we're going to play at the same time the same strings 1 and 2 with index and middle fingers. Twice. Let's say the first 4 measures without pauses. Measure number 5 is an exact repetition of measure number 1. Measure number 6 starts with finger number 2 on string number 1, fret number 3. We pluck strings 4 and 1 at the same time, 4 with the thumb, 1 with the index finger. Finger 4 is going to do the ascending slur on fret number 5 of string number 1. And then we go back to fret number 3 with finger number 2. Let's see that again and notice how finger number 2 is going to stay put in the same place while finger 4 does its job. Measure number 7 starts with 2 open strings, 5 and 1, at the same time, played by the thumb and the ring fingers. As we bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and we pluck at the same time strings 3 and 2 with index and middle fingers. Open 5th again by itself this time, and then once again index and middle fingers at the same time, strings 3 and 2. Twice. Measure number 9 is an exact repetition of measure number 6. Let's see it again. Finger number 2 goes to string number 1, fret number 3. Finger number 4 is the one going to be hammering on fret number 5. We start with open 5th and string number 1 at the same time with thumb and index. We hammer on with finger 4, and then we go back to string number 1, fret number 3, plucking it with the middle finger. Measure number 10 is almost an exact repetition of measure number 1. The top voice is exactly the same, but the bass note is different. In measure 1, the bass note was the open 4th string. In measure 10, it is the open fifth string. And measures 11 and 12 are an exact repetition of measures 7 and 8. To play measure number 13, we need to bring finger number 2 to string number 1, fret number 5. Finger 4 is going to be doing the slur on fret number 7. We're going to start the measure by plucking at the same time strings 5 and 1 with thumb and index. Finger 4 does the slur. We go back to the A note on fret number 5 with finger 2. We pluck it with the middle finger. And we go into measure 14 by plucking at the same time open strings 5 and 1 with thumb and index. Finger 1 does the slur on fret number 2, string number 1. Open first string with the middle finger. And then we go into the last two measures of the piece by bringing finger number 2 to string number 2, fret number 3. We pluck strings 4 and 2 at the same time with thumb and index. We're going to keep finger 2 right where we have it as we bring finger 1 to string number 1, fret number 2, and we pluck at the same time strings 2 and 1 with index and middle. Open 5th with the thumb, and open 4th with the thumb. And there you have it, friends, lesson 78 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. As usual, in the description box you will find a link to a play-along video where you can practice this lesson with me at a slower tempo, as well as links to other important resources to help you develop your guitar and musicianship skills. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and always remember to enjoy the process.